So now we're looking at accounts. How to create accounts for customers and suppliers. To do that, you go to references and then accounts. So I click on accounts and then we have options like suppliers, customers, bank, general. So if you want to create account for customers, you select customers. If you want to create account for suppliers, you select suppliers. So suppliers. So to create an account for a supplier, you enter the supplier name. So I can use supplier and then I say supply as a description. So the description is whatever that particular supplier supplies to you. And you can put address, blah 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 blah, put phone number, and then when you are done, you click on save account. Save account. So account has been created. So you see that I have a new supplier called supplier. And if you want to make changes, you click on whichever one you want to make the changes on. For mine, I'm making the changes on supplier. So let's say I forgot to add suppliers, add S to it. So I've added S. And when you add S, you need to click on the update button to update. So update account. So updated correctly. So you see that it has changed to suppliers. If you want to delete, same thing, but we don't allow delete here because that could change some of the records of that particular supplier, so we don't allow it. So if you want to do a new supplier, you can click on new account, or you want to do new customer, you can click on customer, and then you click on new, and then you start from the top, enter the details, blah blah blah, to the down, and then you click on save. That is how we set up suppliers